Today I will share with you exactly how you can apply for this Google ad grant of 10,000 US dollars for your course. Hi besties, in today's video I'll be sharing with you how you can make money using Google ad grants of $10,000. Yes, do you know that Google is giving away $10,000 in form of ad credits to help boost your organization's marketing efforts? Guys, I made a recent discovery and I want to tell you from experience that ads boosts your businesses. You have to keep running ads for your business, and this is a free $10,000 ad grant. And one thing about ads is that you can get up to 10,000% returns on investment on ads. I'm telling you this for free because I recently did it and it worked for me, and I've been hooked on it ever since. So besties, today I'll share with you exactly how you can apply for this Google ad grant of 10,000 US dollars for your course. If this is something you're interested in, please by all means keep on watching this video all the way till the end. I also have a giveaway for you guys, so make sure that you stick around. It's my own personal giveaway. I'll be giving it to you, my amazing viewers and subscribers here on this channel. So come with me guys, let's go. If you're new here, by all means please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. So besties, if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. Let me also go ahead and introduce myself. Guys, my name is Mariam A, based here in California. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and start to monetize it from the very first day. So without further ado, guys, come with me. Let's go. So besties, do you know that you can get up to $10,000 of in-kind advertising every month that can be used to recruit volunteers and increase donations? All you need to do is sign up online. They believe that you are changing the world and they are happy to help. You can get started with Google ad grants by following these simple steps I'm going to be highlighting for you guys. So guys, go ahead and apply for Google for non-profits. Yes, once they have verified your organization's eligibility, you will be able to activate Google ad grants. Your organization must hold valid charity status in your country. Make sure that you check out the eligibility requirements and apply for Google for non-profits. There's also a step-by-step video to understand the application process end to end. Next thing you need to do is to activate the ad grants. Yes, you will need to use the same login email for your Google account for nonprofits and ad grants account. So sign into Google for nonprofits, click activate products, then get started. Under the Google ad grants, go ahead and complete the required information and click activate to submit your organization for review. Next thing you need to do is to launch a successful ad grants campaign. Once your activation request has been approved and you have accepted the email invitation to your ad grants account, you can begin setting up your very first campaign. Head to their step-by-step video series to plan, build, and launch your first digital marketing campaign with Google ad grants. You can also learn how to Thrive DC. Yes, they use ad grants to fundraise online. They've seen double-digit % increases in their online fundraising for each of the past 2 years, and they really attribute it to ad grants. The help you need is actually at your fingertips. Go ahead and raise that awareness today. Attract donors, recruit new volunteers using Google search grants. Google ad grants shows your message to people searching for nonprofits like your own, because each qualifying nonprofit has access to up to $10,000 per month in search ads shown on google.com. Now, additional Google ads may be purchased in a separate account, so go ahead and start with ad grants in those 3 simple steps today. I'm going to put the link in my description and start to apply for this amazing opportunity as quickly as possible. There are lots of businesses that are lying fallow just because they are not running ads. Ad is the bedrock of every business. If you're not running ads right now, I promise you, you are not exploring the full potential of your business. You need to run ads. Sometimes these ads might not even be paid. You can do organic. Yes, you can do organic ads. Yes, I'm going to share with you exactly what I mean by organic ads. Organic ads is simply when you post regularly on your social media platforms, even if you're not getting any comments, even if it looks like no one is visiting your website, people are watching. There are views, there are impressions, people are taking note of it. Your consistency is what generates the organic clients to your website or to your business. So you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, you can use YouTube, you can use Facebook, you can use Pinterest. The list is endless. You can even use Twitter. All you have to do is to be consistent, have a schedule, have a goal in mind, and make sure that you stick to your plan like never before. Yes, and before you know it, you're on your way to making a lot of money from your business or even your non-profit organization. All you need to do is just commit to a process that works. This has been tried, tested, and trusted, and I think you should try it too. If you're not making any sales, someone is not saying something about your business every day. You need someone to always scream your business every day. Scream your business every day. Even if you are not there, you need to hire someone to always post for you on different social media platforms, and before you know it, you're on your way to making good money right here on your own, on your business. Wherever you are right now, if you're not making sales, it's because you're not advertising enough. So guys, there are so many ways to make money. All you need to do is plug into the one that works best for you. This Google ad grants is one way to actually make money. I've also shared a couple of grants on my channel. Please, if you want to check them out, go check out my previous videos and begin to apply for those grants. Now, just so you know, I have a dedicated grants channel. If you want to see it too, if you need it, please request for it in the comments. I'll be happy to share the link with you guys on this channel. And that is it, guys. Here is how to also apply for my own personal giveaway. I mentioned earlier in the beginning of today's video that I'll be giving away $100 giveaway in today's video. First is we have launched our Telegram channel. All you need to do is invite 50 of your friends into my Telegram channel, and you're on your way to getting $100 cash gift. I'm going to send it to you through Venmo, PayPal, Zelle, Cash App, or through Western Union money transfer, or send waves, or whichever way you can receive the payments anywhere in the world. I'm willing to send it to you. So guys, we have launched our Telegram community. Please add your friends, 50 of your friends, and you are on your way to getting $100 cash gift from me to you. Please tell a friend, share today's video with your friends as well. If you have any question for me, by all means, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you need me to do a reset tailored to your specification, please also let me know. Your wish is my command. I am working for you guys day and night. And yes, one other thing is this. I want to say big thank you to all of my amazing Patreon members on this channel. Thank you. If you are a Patreon member of this channel, please show yourself in the comments. Just let me know in the comments. Let me know if you are a Patreon member of my amazing channel in the comments. I want to acknowledge you guys. Thank you. If you want to also be part of my amazing Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, do you know that you can book a one-on-one consultation with me? Yes, I can help you set up your business. If you have been looking for a way to set up your business but you just don't know how to go about it, I am more than happy to help you set it up free of charge. At least you're a Patreon member. I'm gonna do it for you. I'll go over and beyond to help you bring your dreams, regarding business to become a reality. I'll help you, set it up as much as I can. We can discuss all things grants. We can discuss all things money, business, and everything in between. And yes, if this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please like today's video. Do well to share. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And of course, have I introduced myself yet? I think I have. And if you have not introduced yourself yet, I would like you to please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I really want to know you. I really want to meet you. What part of the world are you tuning in from? And that is it, guys, for today. In case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I am so proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and good exploits, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Love you.